guys, and welcome to Shelly's Homemade. And today we're going to be making chili. Yes, chili. We're going to be making chili Shelly style. So for the ingredients, we have chili beans, dark red kidney beans, Hunt's diced tomatoes, garlic powder, salt, and this is pink Mahalia salt, cumin, black pepper, a little cinnamon and oregano, onion powder, seasoned oil, and chili powder. We have an onion, a green pepper, jalapeno, and a red chili pepper. And we have ground beef. And we do have some fresh garlic that we're going to be cutting up and putting in here. So let me turn on my stove. I don't want to light. I don't want to light. Yeah, I'll be right back. So I am back. I got my stove lit. Now I'm going to chop up my pepper, my green pepper. I got my ground beef in there working. I'm going to cut this whole thing up. I've already washed my veggies. Now, I'm going to chop up my green peppers. So I'm not cutting them real small because I actually want to see them in here. So, a rough chop. And you know, this is a nice day for a bowl of chili. It's chilly outside. Why not have a bowl of chili? Alright. So notice that I'm laying the wet side of the green pepper, the outside of the green pepper down, and then I'm cutting into strips with the inside. Easier to cut with a dell or a sharp knife. Alright, again, and my ground beef is 85-15. That way, don't have to be in oil on my pan. And this is a pound of ground beef. I'll get my green peppers in there with it, let it all cook up together. I'll get my chili in here. You're going to cut the jalapeno first. You want to take out the seeds. Oh, and if I didn't mention, we're going to put a teaspoon of sugar in here. Again, to cut the acid. Same way I cut the green pepper. I'm going to cut a little smaller. Red chili. And scrape all these seeds out. Turn my ground beef down. Trying to cook up on me real fast. I'm only adding one of these and one of the jalapenos because you don't want it to be too spicy. But you can make it as spicy as you want. You can add some red chili flakes in here. That would be good. Some pepperoncinis. That would be good too. Look at all that. And you just cook this ground beef until you get all of the pink going. Get that onion. I'm gonna make that up. Alright. Right into the pan. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Right across. Alright. So now that all my vegetables are chopped in here, and then this is mixed in, I start seasoning it up so we can start smelling the house out. Got my seasoning, which was a teaspoon of my cinnamon and oregano. This half a teaspoon of each. Onion powder, tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of cumin, half a tablespoon of black pepper, I have a teaspoon and a half of salt. We're going to put half of it in, and we're going to taste it for flavor. Alright, you know what? I'm going to put my garlic in once we get the beans and stuff in, because it's just going to disintegrate into nothing land. And it smells so great in here right now. Let's add the chili powder. So, this is 2 tablespoons. So, add half. And I add the rest of it. And if I need more, I'll just adjust. But this is looking great the way it is. And I'll put the lid on this for a few seconds and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. And so now I got 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to add them right in there. And I didn't want to bore you guys by opening up my cans online. I don't want to open, on camera, so just went ahead and I'm adding my red kidney beans. Now I'm adding my chili beans. here. And I'm adding the juice as well into here. And it smells so good. And I'm gonna add my 1 can of tomatoes. And just add the juice and everything with it. It's all in here. And this looks like a bowl of chili. Looks like a bowl already. Add my sugar. It all cooked down. So about a teaspoon of sugar, guys. Just a teaspoon. You don't want to sweeten it. You just want to cut the acid from the tomatoes and all the spices that's in here. And it's going to add some flavor too. So don't worry about that. What I'm going to do, I add just a little water. My kidney can. I'm just shaking it around. And there, only put like to the bottom, not a lot. Alright. So I got it in there. I'm going to mix this in. And we're going to come back and taste for salt and chili powder. So I'll be right back when it comes up to a nice boil and simmer. Then I'm just, going to taste it. Then I'm going to adjust the flavors. Do I need cumin? Do I need more cumin? Do I need more chili powder? Do I need more salt? I know I'm good on the pepper and the garlic. But, you got to taste your food. That's how you know how it is. You don't want to feed anybody bland food. You don't want to feed anybody with the flavors aren't right, So taste your food, get into it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm going to do a taste test to see if we need any seasoning. So here we go. So I think we're good on seasoning. I don't need to put anything else in here. I'm going to just let it keep cooking for another half an hour. And then we're going to come back. I'm going to plate it up and show y'all the final results. Alright. Alright, so I am back. And this is all done. And I'm about to show you guys how I like to plate up our chili. So, alright. So now, I want to get my sour cream. Into the bowl, just like so. I'm gonna add some cheese, some cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese, just like that. And then, guess what? Look, look, look! Green onion, all on the top. Now, let's give chili a taste, guys. Give this chili a taste. Mmm. Mmm. This is some really good chili. Y'all guys really need to try this out. So, like, share, and subscribe. And get you some of this chili. Alright guys, y'all have a wonderful day. As always,